Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recreate Scarlet Fierce in the summer request from Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get started. This is for the look and I'm going to show you how I made this one. Alright, start with the makeup look. You can choose this makeup look guys. And then I'm going to go to the hairstyle selection. And for the hairstyle, you can go to the wavy category. And then I'm going to choose this one. And for the color, you can apply this color. This is for the color code. And then for the second hairstyle, go to the curly category. And then you're going to choose this one. And then you're going to choose this color. Just apply the same color we have applied before. Okay, and then I'm going to put on this cowboy hat, this one, and then we're going to choose this color. Okay, this is for the color code for the first selection and also for the second selection. And then for the next one, I'm going to go to the dressing room, and of course, we're going to put on the summer class dress, this one, this skirt, and also this top. Alright, and then let's put on the shoes. Okay, I'm going to go to this shoes area and I'm going to put on these boots. And then I'm going to make it knee length. Okay, and finally you will have this Scarlet Fierce in the summer update from Dress to Impress. Okay, and it's completely free. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.